Good day everyone, Mr. Cargill here with our next AutoCAD video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go about getting free blocks that you can use in AutoCAD. So these are blocks for things like cars, doors, windows, furniture, anything really, even paintings, whatever blocks you want. You can find blocks for AutoCAD and for AutoCAD architecture as well. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is to head over to Google and you're going to type in free CAD blocks. So that's free, CADBLOCKS. And you see a bunch of them come up. You can probably try out a few, but the one that always works for me and is completely free is this one, cadblocks.net. So you're going to click on that. And there's a bunch of blocks, but for the specific blocks that you want, up here we have a search bar. So let's say I wanted cars. I could just type in cars and then search. Once I put in cars now, you will see a bunch of different options come up in the results. We have blocks that have the complete views of the car, so that's all the views, the plan view, the elevations and so on. We have some with just the elevations alone, some with front and side elevation along with the rear elevation. We also have different types. This one has lorries and buses and mining equipment and so on. But let's say we just wanted this one, cars in complete views. So it has all the views that we want for the car. Good. So then what we can do is this. We can scroll down here where it says download CAD blocks. Not this. This is an ad. So just click here to download CAD blocks. Then we can close this. Now that is going to download. So what you can do is to you can open it here, or you can just head over to your downloads. So I'll head over to my downloads and it's going to be in this folder. And right here, what you can do is to just double click this and it will open. But for me, I have multiple AutoCAD softwares on my computer. And if I open it, it's going to open with AutoCAD Architecture. I don't want it to open with AutoCAD Architecture. So if you have multiple AutoCAD softwares and you don't have one that you want it to open with set as default, what you can do is to just right click and you can either cut or copy. I'll just cut it. And I'll take it out of the zip folder and I'll just bring it back over here into downloads and right click and just paste it here. So once it's pasted here now, we can open the AutoCAD that you want it to open with. So I want it to open with my regular AutoCAD. So then I'll just click on new for a new file. And then it's as simple as dragging and dropping. So I'll just come over here, I'll drag it and drop it in AutoCAD. Alright, it's going to ask me for where I want to insert it. So I'm just going to click a point to insert it. It's going to ask me for the scale factor. I'll keep a scale factor of 1. And it's going to ask me for X scale factor. For this I don't want any X scale factor. So I can just put 0 or just press enter. And for the rotation angle, just press enter. And then now it's going to come up over here. So here we have all of these. So let's say I have like a different drawing. So let's say I have a floor plan on this page that I want to open the car in. So what you can do is just you can highlight them and then what you can do is explode these. Alright, so you can explode them if you want, just so you can copy just the one that you want. So I'll explode them. Once I explode them, now let's say I wanted the plan view for this car here. It looks like a carpet. So then I'll highlight those, I'll right click, I'll clipboard, and then I'm going to copy. Come over here to the next drawing, right click, clipboard, and I'm going to paste, and I'll just paste it here. And if I have a garage or anywhere I want to put it, then I can just, put the car in the garage. I can, you can rotate it, you can move it and everything. So that's how you go about getting free CAD blocks. You can also search free AutoCAD architecture CAD blocks and you will find some as well. So thank you for watching and have yourselves a fantastic day. Please remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.